The former Super Eagles goalkeeper wey dey call Vincent Yama don come out to come yarn say him not get problem with former coach wey be Sunday Oliseh. Say remember say Sunday Oliseh carry him captain band take give Ahmed Musa. Say na him make am just jejeje leave Musa comot for the Super Eagles. So say but like this now say not get any issue with Sunday Oliseh. Say because plenty people don dey carry talk say him and Yama get problem with Oliseh. Say but that one not be true. Say like this now say wetin happen between them. Say na script na in dey play and they act the movie and everybody don go their own. I con dey wonder say when Yama with Sunday Oliseh come become actor now, he can come out to come chook mouth for waiting Chinedu Obasi and Taiwo talk. Say the former coach wey be Stephen Keshi want to make them give am a gunje before they go play for match. He can continue the talk so say but him Vincent Yama say he never get that kind of palava before, he never experienced am before. Say na God na him dey inside though and na God na him be muzzle. Say him talent always dey push and they go front oh. I ain't not feel like you say like this now see him fit put leg for ground talk and say nothing bad don't ever happen to Ramos since him say start to dey play ball. The goalkeeper can come out to come dey yarn say some people will say they not carry go World Cup for Brazil after we they win African Cup of Nations 2013. Say that one fit be say maybe they get injury and that one not me say because say they win African Cup of Nations. Say the coach go come carry all players they go World Cup. This na man about reporting for PG News Network.